For the last few years, the Sony FX3 has been the undisputed king of the compact cinema world, used by everyone from top-tier YouTubers to Hollywood directors. But right now, something is happening behind the closed doors of Sony's research labs in Japan that is about to make every other camera on the market look like a toy. If you are even thinking about upgrading your gear, or if you've been eyeing the current FX3, you need to stop everything. What we've just uncovered about the Sony FX3 II isn't just an upgrade. It's a total reimagining of what a camera can be. Imagine a sensor so powerful it can see more than the human eye, with a dynamic range that was previously reserved only for cameras costing $50,000. The leaks coming out of the supply chain right now are pointing towards a technological breakthrough that will change the way we capture light forever. But there's a specific secret, a hidden feature in the new cooling system, that no one is talking about yet. Stay with me, because as we peel back the layers of these leaks, you'll realize that the FX3 II isn't just coming to compete. It's coming to end the conversation. Let's talk about the heart of the machine. The original FX3 was praised for its low-light capabilities, but the FX3 II is rumored to feature a global shutter-style performance without the traditional drawbacks. We are talking about motions so fluid and images so crisp that they defy the current limitations of mirrorless technology. Why is Sony doing this now? Because the competition is catching up, and Sony is about to drop a nuclear option. This new sensor architecture is designed to handle massive data throughput, allowing for internal recording specs that will make your jaw drop. But it's not just about the numbers on a spec sheet. It's about the feel. Sony has reportedly been working with world-class cinematographers to tweak the color science of the FX3 II to a point where it perfectly mimics the organic look of 35mm film straight out of the camera. No more endless hours of color grading just to get that pro look. The FX3 II is being built to give you that cinematic soul the moment you hit the record button. And for the USA market, where the demand for high-quality content is at an all-time high, this is the ultimate weapon for creators. Now let's address the one thing that every filmmaker hates: overheating and reliability. We've all been on a hot set mid-shoot when the dreaded warning light comes on. Sources suggest that the FX3 II features a revolutionary silent flow thermal management system. It's thinner, lighter, and yet twice as efficient. It's whispered that this camera will be able to record at its highest settings indefinitely, even in the harshest environments. Whether you're shooting a documentary in the desert or a high-paced commercial in a studio, this camera is being engineered to be bulletproof. But wait, there is a mystery surrounding the mount and the internal ND filters. For years, users have begged for internal electronic ND filters in a body this small. The rumors are conflicting, but a recent patent filing suggests Sony has found a way to shrink their legendary electronic variable ND tech into the FX3 II's compact frame. If this is true, it changes the game for run-and-gun filmmakers. No more fumbling with screw-on filters in the middle of a golden-hour shoot. This one feature alone would make the FX3 II the most versatile cinema camera ever created. Think about the autofocus. Sony is already the leader, but the FX3 II is rumored to integrate a dedicated AI processing unit that doesn't just track eyes,